When I was a young man growing up on the top of the Himalayas doing a sound check.
I'm tired. I literally have no ideas for sound check this week, so I don't know. Mickey Mouse.
How you doing, guys? I'm gonna buy the whole country and give it a reboot. What do you think, Goofy?
Gars.
Yoo-hoo!
Hold on. What's the piggy bank from Toy Story?
Hey, Woody. I don't know what been paying attention, but Andy's been jerking off a lot up there.
Woody, help! Woody, Andy likes to wrap me around his neck when he's doing that stuff. Woody, help!
I don't know. Who else is there?
Oh, bother.
Winnie the Pooh? I don't know.
The top's are made of rubber, the bottom are made of spring. I'm the only one. Good I'm the only one.
Oh, the gingerbread cookie guy from Shrek. I know it's not Disney.
Not my buttons! Not my gumdrop buttons! You're a monster!
Oh, we are the pigs from Shrek. I don't know why they're German. I can't do Shrek, so don't ask me. Maybe I can do Donkey? I don't know.
Shrek!
That's Michael Scott doing Donkey.
Shrek! I'm a donkey, Shrek! In the morning, I'm making waffles. Man, you can't put no banana in a tailpipe.
Pterosaur from Beast Wars.
You and I could be partners! We could rule the Predacons!
That's it. Jack Sparrow.
Are you here because you need my help saving a certain distressing damsel? Or a damsel in distress? Well, then you wouldn't really be here, would you, love?
Pretty sure I did that before. Guys, there's a snowstorm coming. I gotta go.